With the mind of a Jedi, this world I bend it. Like a soulful creator, my art I blend it. And this joy in my heart I constantly send it. And the love that I am, I shall always befriend it. Let the trumpet sound. Let the trumpet sound. Once upon a rhyme, in the trying times of 2020, when love sent humanity on an inner quest to be still and know, to transcend fear, and to let love grow. South of the Canadian border, there was a leader who was brash and bold, who many thought had a heart turned cold, but who stood up to the who were transfixed by gold, who had most of the world on lockdown control. The trumpet blew and said, "You're fired." This leader, who by courage had been hired for such a time when Mr. Gates had a windowed vision to vaccinate, to erase borders and create a one world government that would sedate. But who disguised his insidious intention to monitor and incarcerate by saying, "Let me and my elite, you liberate from the COVID-19 pandemic." But little did they know that love had her gentle hands in it. While many feared and yes, many died, but nevertheless love did abide. And behold, I saw a new heaven and a new earth. Coming forth a sacred birth. I saw humanity become kinder and wiser as love and wisdom removed our spiritual blinders. Oh yes, I believe in the conspiracy of love to help us all rise above fear, greed, war, pollution, and many unforeseen ills by sending us to our inner rooms on a timeout. Go pray, play, and be still. Well, that's the way this poet chooses to see it. This virus helped us not only to preach and teach love, but to simply be it. Be love. Holla. Lovingly. Thank you. Listen to the birds. Love lifted me, and love will lift you. Thank you.